Kellen and Luke each have a bank account. Kellen's bank account increased in value last month. That means he gained. His went up. Luke's bank account decreased in value last month, so Luke went down. Luke sounds like me. Each boy plots a point on the same number line to represent the amount by which the value of his bank account changed last month. Which statement about the boy's completed number line must be true? So let's make two fake number lines, okay? So Kellen has a certain amount of money, okay? We don't know. But what happens is he is going to move to the right because he's increasing. So Kellen is somewhere over here. Do we know how much? Nope, no clue. He could have gained $1,000. He could have gained $1. Doesn't really matter. We don't know. Luke is somewhere here. And since he loses money, he goes to the left towards the negative side. So that is going to be over here somewhere. Do we know where? No. We just know it's going to be to the left. Now, which must be true? The 2 points are the same distance from 0. So what we're doing is we're saying, all right, well, 0, I don't know where 0 is. No clue. No clue. But all I know is this is saying if they're the same distance from 0, that Kellen gained the same amount that Luke lost. I don't know if that's true or not, so I can't pick that one. The 2 points are located on opposite sides of 0. Now, if we're plotting the point at 0, this is correct. Because what this does is we now recognize that Kellen is moving to the right side, which is the positive value. Okay, Luke is moving to the left side, which is the negative value. So to the left of 0, that's assuming that we're starting at 0 here. So B is going to be our correct answer. Let's see why these are wrong. The point representing the decrease in Luke's bank account is at 0. Now, that would mean no increase or no decrease, so that doesn't make sense. And then D says the point representing the increase in Kellen's bank account is located to the left of the point representing the decrease in Luke's bank account. We don't know, and this considers that positive values are to the left of 0, which is not true. This also shows that negative values are to the right of 0. That's also not true. So the only one here that makes sense is going to be B.